I'm 17 and grade 11 right now. It's such an interesting time because everything seems to be moving so fast. And I'm kind of figure out who I am and what I want to do with my life. I think being in high school is definitely one of the most challenging but rewarding experience. There's so much pressure to do well in school, be socials, and just figure it out. You know, some days I feel like I'm drawing in assignments and exams, but other days I'm really proud of my progress I've been made. I try to stay organized, but honestly, there's days when I'm like, how I'm going to do get towards of this. But then I remember it's all part of growing and learning. Something really important to me is my faith. Serving God and growing spiritually is a huge part of who I am. It's not always easy, especially when school gets stressful, but I truly believe that God is with me. Thought all of it. Prayer is some things that help me stay calm and focused. I know I'm not doing this journey alone. One thing I love to do is to start my day with the prayers or quiet a moment to reflect. It's helped me set the right mindset for the day whenever it's dealing with an exam or just staying patient when I'm feeling overwhelmed. The verse that I hold close, I can do all things that Christ who strengthens me. Filipinas 4 verse 30. That really keeps me going especially when I'm stressed. Also, really lucky to have an amazing family that supports me in everything I do. I don't know what I do without them. We're pretty close and even thought we're always busy with school, work, and life. We always take make time for each others. One of my favorite things we do as a family is going to church every Sunday. It's simple but meaningful and it always reminds me that no matter how hectic life gets, we have each other and I'm really thankful for their constant love and encouragement. Of course, life isn't always easy. There are days when I feel completely overwhelmed by school or personal things happening in my life. Sometimes I feel like I can handle everything at once, but whenever that happens, I remind myself to take a deep breath and trust that it's okay not to have everything figured out. I don't have to be perfect. I'm also really flat on my faith with my family to get me thought times whenever I'm feeling down or stressed. I'll take a moment to pray or talk to someone I trust. It's always happened me put things into perspective. If I could give one piece of advice to other students or teens out there, it would be this. Stay true to yourself and don't be afraid to ask for help. We're all going through sometimes, whether it's school pressure, family struggle, or figure out who we are. But you don't have to go through it alone. Lean on your family, your friends, and your faith. Also, don't forget to take care of yourselves. It's always take break. Even when to-do list seems endless, you're human, not a robot. So be kind to yourself. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. I hope some things in my story resonates with you. And maybe it will remind you that you are not alone whatever you're going through. Life can be challenging, but with faith, family, and a little perseverance, we can overcome anything. Stay strong, stay focused, and always be mindful. And I will see you next time. Bye. God bless.